everyone, this is Krrish Gatti. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Let's get into the video. Today, let's unbox a DIY product. Woo! Let's check what's inside.
Well guys, let's unbox this product and check what's inside. Well guys, these are the contents inside the box. This is a 6-layer portable wardrobe. This is made of fabric supported by iron rods and plastic connectors. Though this is a DIY product, we have to assemble this ourselves. Here we got 14 long pipes, 14 medium pipes and 24 short pipes with 28 hard plastic connectors and 6 fabric sheets and 1 full-size fabric cover with zipper. And the actual price of this beautiful product is 799 Indian rupees, but now available on Amazon for 599 Indian rupees. The price fluctuates from 599 to 799 always. If you want this product, you can get it from the link mentioned in the description below. Let's assemble this and see how it looks. Each layer should be assembled like this with 2 long rods, 2 medium rods, 4 vertical short rods and 4 connectors and 1 fabric sheet. This is how we have to do. This is how it looks. See, 4 small rods vertically and 2 medium rods and 2 long rods horizontally and 1 cloth fabric.
So guys, this is the final output after assembling. This is so budget friendly, compact in size and lighter in weight, and you can dismantle and reassemble anytime, anywhere you want. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.